Hi folks, this is your MWIS Fleeting View for the week ahead in association with Petzl. The chart for Monday is still a very active weather map with the still powerful remnants of Storm Bert centred just north of Scotland, widespread severe upland gales across Scotland and northern England throughout the daytime, stormy conditions over higher mountains. Some frequent or more organised spells of rain and increasingly upland snow across western parts of the Highlands, setting in at times for some more constant falls, and that snow level will drop during the daytime, even down towards around 600 metres or so through the afternoon across more northern and northwestern parts of the Highlands. Some showery conditions too across Cumbria into Wales as well. Some of those showers here heavy with the risk of hail and isolated thunder toward the southwest of Wales in particular. Fewer showers around the Peak District with some sunny spells. The wind not quite as strong for the South Pennines in Wales, but still a very blustery day from lower elevations upwards. A chilly and still blustery day for all on Tuesday, the strongest winds easing, but could still be up to gale force for a while at least across the eastern half of the Highlands and toward the eastern side of the Pennines and the Cheviots. Still some showers in the forecast as well, draped around the north and west of Scotland, possibly a little band of showers running southwards across the Highlands into southern Scotland and the far north of England for a time during the daytime. Again, over higher terrain, these will fall as some snow, some hail possibly mixed in near to the coast as well. For the South Pennines and for Wales, one or two local showers, but largely a drier and brighter day here with mostly lighter wind speeds across the Welsh mountains during the day. By Wednesday, high pressure is trying to expand its way in from the west and give more settled conditions through midweek. The wind could still be strong and rather chilly feeling down the easternmost hills and mountains, at least in the morning. That will tend to drop during the daytime. The residual areas of showers could just still drift in from the north across more north and eastern parts of the Highlands and around the Pennines as well for a time. Further west, generally a drier story. Some variable banks of cloud, some breaks forming in places up to higher summits, best typically toward the southwest of the Highlands. And temperatures will be below freezing across the Munros and near to freezing on the highest tops in England and Wales. Feeling colder than that as well in exposure to the wind. High pressure is around into Thursday, giving most likely a fine day across Scotland and northern England. Generally light winds, but just watch for those speeds strengthening across more western coastal regions during the daytime and perhaps more widely over Wales as well. We've got some banks of low cloud and fog likely to be in the forecast. It could just be that higher mountain tops poke through above those fog banks above an inversion. Northern Scotland perhaps best favoured overall for some sunnier skies. We'll see some hazy high cloud building ahead of a front to the south, and that is likely to move into Wales with some rain and possibly even some hill snow for a time before milder air tends to move up from the south. Milder air is likely to waft its way northwards on south to southwesterly winds by Friday. There'll be some rain, drizzle and low cloud associated with these fronts as well, focused over western mountains, south-facing hills, particularly seeing the lowest of the cloud. Best of breaks toward the northeast of the Highlands, eastern side of the Pennines. Quite blustery winds, gusty in places too. The weekend detail is uncertain, but a general south to southwesterly pattern is likely to prevail. Again, more northeastern spots favouring best, more south-southwestern facing areas more prone to seeing some rain and drizzle. And overall, temperatures are likely to stay on the milder side with that southwesterly flow. All your details, as ever, for 3 days ahead can be found on our website. That is your Fleeting View in association with Petzl. Thanks for watching.